Hey guys, Mel here. Spend the day with me. Let's go. Just spending the next couple days with me. I mean, let's be real here, because all I do is sleep and work. I wanted to start this video with a laugh. I just got my first electric bill, y'all. This is gonna be the most beautiful electric bill I ever paid for in my entirety of my life. I just got home from work. Miss Ma'am ate. She had eggs, carrots, and kibble. That's what we do around here. I updated my schedule, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. But first, we're having breakfast. We got some hash browns, salt and peppered. I love ketchup on them. That's coming soon. We have some spinach sauteing. We have some eggs, and we have cottage cheese. And if I could give you a life hack, and you can thank me later, or let me know if you already do this, instead of milk for scrambled eggs, put some cottage cheese in there, and don't put that juicy stuff, gross. Put your cottage cheese in your eggs, mix it, you guys, and then add cheese on top later. Probably, I haven't tried it. You can probably put a protein shake in there. It will make your eggs really fluffy, and then it's just packed with benefits. Most important is protein, protein, protein. Here's what the eggs is gonna look like when you first put it in the pan. But I promise you all the cottage cheese will melt and you won't get that texture if you're a texture person. But we're gonna let that simmer. Reason why I'm cooking breakfast is two things. I need to wash my clothes, so I have to wait until my washer's done. I'm trying to figure out how long my wash takes. It's 10:30 in the morning. One of the things I'm trying to do, you guys, is conserve my electric. So my peak period for my electric, I don't know if you guys have one, we're not supposed to use our electric from 4 to 7. You can, but you're gonna pay a higher percentage. Load of laundry to save energy. I'm hang drying all of my tops and pants. I hang them in the doorways, which I will show you guys when I'm done. So I washed clothes and never took my clothes out of the dryer. Here's the life hack. I'm gonna have to dry this load. So we're gonna just put our clothes in the tote and leave it, okay? This, my friends, is how you do laundry. Especially when you just got done working 13 and a half hours. I'm just like you. Remember that. There we have it, folks. Breakfast. And there's Harper. What do you want? You want to eat my eggs too? Y'all, this girl has had a whole full food bowl. Eggs. 3 carrots. If you have a pit bull, you know. You want some celery and peanut butter? That's your favorite, huh? Really? Do I stare at you when you eat your food? Huh? Do I stare at you when you eat your food? No, ma'am. And I sure as heck don't moan and grunt at you when you eat your food either. Rude. What do you want, spanking? Get that dupa. Oh, we want water? My wash machine, I should say, actually stopped just as I plated breakfast. So let me show you guys a little trick about what I'm doing to save money on my electric bill and just more efficient things that I do around my house. I've done this since I moved out on my own when I was 18, you guys, because I couldn't afford anything but to eat rice with butter or sugar sometimes. I hang up all of my clothes except for like my underwears and socks and stuff. I could do that. I just feel like it's more efficient to throw it in a dryer with, I use wool balls. So this is an amazing hack, you guys. Just hang up your clothes. They're not soaking wet, they're damp. So you're saving money on the dryer time. And then you're also making a really great air purifier, humidifier, that type of situation. That's just my tip for you guys if you're doing laundry. And also I'm doing it not in the peak time. My peak time is 4 to 7 with my electricity bill. So 11 o'clock is well worth it. Saturdays and Sundays are also like no peak days for my electricity, so that's when I plan on meal prepping. I'm exhausted, you guys. I want to go to bed, so I'm gonna go eat my food in bed and pass the F out. So this is my life right now. There's my baby. Hi, Mama. You're on camera looking all cute. Did you eat all your numbers? You got it all over your face. Oh my goodness. You're gonna suckle baby? Are you gonna get that baby? Oh, I'm gonna get that dupa. So, update on my life. I've done some dishes. My corner is not as atrocious. You best believe there's dishes in the sink. I'm gonna make a list of things I need to do. So we're getting this corner cleaned up, and then we're gonna have a really empty living room. I have to laugh because I was trying to make a video for you guys, trying to show you how I'm going to take the extra money that I'm gonna be making from my $12.53. And I totally foobarred the video that I made you, but I am really tired and my brain is so bananas that I was like, you know what? I spent all this time on this video making it, I'm not deleting it. So the video that I made before this one, Mathin' with Mel, you guys don't watch it. The concept's there, but I'll redo it, I promise. Don't follow that one. I'll make a better one when I have some sense. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm embarrassed because it took me all the way up until posting the video and rewatching it to realize that I meant 5 months instead of 5 weeks. And then just the interest in all this stuff. I do really need to watch some other people on YouTube that do, credit card debt and utilization and figuring out, hey, if I can put $500 towards this credit card with this interest rate and take 5 months to do it, what does that look like? I know the concept because I've been following a lot of people for a while, but y'all, I'm just terrible at math. It is not my specialty. There's a lot of things that I'm just not good at. Spelling, talking. But I am a damn good DIYer. I clean like a mo. And I obviously get my life together very quickly, so I'm not totally useless, but I'm capable of learning. So I hope you guys understand that mistakes are lessons too. Got to go back to work tonight. Sunday I'm off. I have so much to do, but I really just want to freaking sleep all day. So this is what I have in my pantry so far. We have some green beans here. I have lots of canned chicken, so I'm going to take advantage of that. And I have jasmine rice. So I like these sauces from Aldi. So I'm going to make a chicken with this. And then we're going to make some rice. I have butter chicken. I have peanut sauce and dynamite sauce, hot sriracha. I was going to plan on making that with tofu or something, but I don't know. Here's dinner, you guys. I have a nice cup of water, coffee, protein coffee. I have cottage cheese, green beans, and then my rice and the tiki marsala. And then because I think I did 3 cans of chicken, so this is what I have. I separated the green beans. I do love cottage cheese, so the rice is underneath there, and then this will be 2 meals for me. So just smart if you ask me. A can of green beans is 65 cents, cottage cheese $3, and the rice I don't remember, but I'm going to try to make more videos of me cooking and then break down price for you guys. Later tonight I have to work, so I have a lot of downtime. I'm going to look up crock pot recipes. I bought this crock pot. It's a steamer, so I can steam vegetables. It's a crock pot, it's a sauteer, it's all the things. It's from Walmart, you guys. I haven't used it yet, so I gotta look up recipes for that. But it's just so cute and stylish, and I'm really expecting to cook a lot of chilies and Just things I love. I love like stews or soups or chilies, stuff like that. So great investment. And I bought it on clearance, y'all. But anyway, there's meal prepping. 2 days worth of food, or maybe like a lunch and dinner. And I'm gonna sit down and eat. So I'm in my room. I'm doing laundry, folding, putting it away. And this is my life right now. Laundry, me in my room, minding my own business. And then in here, hi. Hi, Miss Ma'am. Continue your business. I just got off of work, and I swear I don't have any luck with nails and tires. There we have it, y'all. Actually, I was thinking about getting new tires, but I'm not really sure. I mean, but we have a friend. Is that a screw? But I notice like every 2 or 3 days my air tire goes down, so that's why. We have Iron Man tires. 215 55 R17 94 volt. Don't know what that means. Max tire pressure 44 psi.
Hey y'all, it's October 16th and today we're gonna get my tire fixed. So we're gonna get this day started. But first, the cuteness. Hey mama. Are you comfortable?
My tire is fixed. The screw is out. Went to Sam's Club and stocked up on some food for me. Pancakes galore, cucumbers, chicken. Bought some underwear. These were $4. Dawn power wash, of course. Chicken, gravy, Parmesan cheese. Can you believe this water is only $6 for 6 gallons? Ridiculous. Milk, coffee creamer, lots of eggs, chips, food, snacks. I used a lot of whiteout. Let's see what we got over here. Dino Buddies, lots of cheese. I'm probably gonna freeze that because I don't use it all. This stuff, yum. Mashed potatoes, crab meat. I'm gonna have some quiche, stuffed peppers. I'm very excited to try these meatballs. Let me know if you've tried these meatballs from Sam's Club. Broccoli, fish, cookies and cream, a whole tub just for myself. Oh my God. These are the best. If you guys have not tried them, try them. Green beans, I love green beans. These are my favorite biscuits to dump in my coffee in the morning. Protein, of course. These are my favorite snacks. We're gonna be making a ton of quesadillas. Eggs galore for me and Harper, and then muffins, of course. And I want to show you guys this plant, okay? Because it's hilarious. So it's called a Calalitha. I'm not even going to try. Rosita, okay? This is the evening time, you guys. She is up. She is standing. She is like, hello. It's like a really good bra. Like your girls are saying hello. And then I'm going to show you guys her in the morning because she's hilarious. 1 minute she looks like this. See how her leaves are standing straight up. And we have some growth here. I love the colors on this. I challenge you guys to go buy yourself a plant. This was $4.99 on clearance at a store called Bosch's out here. They had a whole table of plants because... oh, God forbid winter is coming in Arizona, which it's not because it's technically still summer for me. But this plant is so funny. I'll show you guys in the morning because at night, the leaves like perk up and then they rise. See how they're like up? And she's like, hello. And they're standing. You should see her in the morning, which I'll show you guys because it's hilarious. Anyway, I got to put all this stuff away. I spent around a nice $450 today between JCPenney and groceries, you guys. So that's my limit for the month. And this should last me till November. More than likely. I'm probably going to freeze everything. And I have still stuff in the fridge. It's just me, so I have to meal prep it and freeze it.